Is your car shaking really bad? Chances are you need to replace one of the tire rods. My name's Rick Burrows. You're watching Fix It Rick. Let's fix it. Before we lift the car off the ground, we need to loosen all of these bolts because it's going to be a lot easier. You don't want to remove them, you just want to get them loose. Okay, we've got the jack stand in place, and I'm going to lower this on the jack stand. Having that jack stand is critical. Don't always depend on this. Now let's go ahead and remove the rest of the nuts. He is he's desperately trying to catch a bird right now. So this is your new tire rod, and this is where it goes. Down below is a cotter pin which you have to remove, and we're going to use the Gerber to do that. So that's your cotter pin. Next, take a 17mm and loosen this up. Next, take a Sharpie and mark the end of your tire rod where it's connected to this threaded rod right here. Alright, so we're having a really hard time getting that tire rod to just come right out. You should be able to just grab it and pull it out, but we can't. It's just so stuck. We have to take other measures to do that. So don't tell my mom that I bought this, but I bought a flamethrower where you attach a propane tank at the bottom. You turn the nozzle, you hit the spark, then it lights up the propane, and then you have a flame. We're going to heat up the metal, it's going to expand, and we're going to hit it with a hammer, and that tire rod will come out. Don't tell mom. Don't tell mom. And there's a flat spot right here. And then you just twist. I think it may still be very hot, so you want to use your Gerber. Just do the twist. And that's how you get your tire rod off. It's very important that this nut remains in the exact same spot, and that's why we put it on with a marker. Now let's go ahead and take the new tire rod, and we're going to twist this on. Now I take the other end. So it came with a brand new nut. We're going to put that underneath. Well, depending on the one you get, it's this one's a 19mm. So the cotter pin is going to go at the end of your tire rod here, and then we just use the Gerber to bend that little cotter pin around, and that's it. Alright guys, if you found that this video was helpful, drop a thumbs up and leave a comment below. If you're not subscribed to Fix It Rick, do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button and the bell notification. Links to all the products that you would need to get this job done will be in the description below. And with that being said, thank you so much for watching Fix It Rick. I really appreciate all of you. I love the support that you put out there. You are getting better and better at fixing things, and I'm just so proud of every single one of you. And always remember that Jesus Christ loves you, and only He can solve your biggest problem.